Hi, I'm Tom, and this is my model railway of Alresford. It's on the Watercress line, and it's often known as the Hants Railway. This is just a short video. It's probably about 3 minutes long in total, and it's really to announce the fact that I saw something on eBay a few weeks ago and I bought it, and it's arriving at Alresford today. It's not on this passenger train, but it's on the next one. It's coming very soon. I've been enjoying using the model railway. It's been a great pleasure and great fun to operate. I keep going between steam and diesel, and at the moment I'm sort of halfway in between, so I've got steam and diesel going at the moment. It's my model railway and I'm just enjoying running trains on it. So on the next train in, after this DNU has cleared the tracks, there's a train coming from Alton with a special arrival on it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it on the layout. I wonder if you can work out what it is. Any clues yet? This is a coal and ballast train that's just coming from the London Alton direction, and it's uncoupling at the moment and taking a few of the wagons into the goods yard. Here it is arriving at the west end of Alresford in these sidings. And there it is. There's my new wagon. It's actually made specially by Dapol, and it's the Hants Railway, hence the MHR, and it's got Alresford actually printed on the side of it. It was a special edition made by Dapol, and I didn't know it existed until I saw it come up for sale on eBay. So I'm really excited to see it and to have received it. And there is another Dapol wagon as well that I would like to get hold of one day. And if anybody knows where I can get hold of the special edition Hants Railway wagons, I'd be very appreciative. And already I've been using it a lot. It's been going backwards and forwards to Winchester, London, Halton, and of course stopping at Alresford quite a lot as well. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed seeing my special edition, and hopefully one day I'll have a few more of them so I can show off and play with. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.